How are you all today? So today I have a very interesting question for you all. What does art means to you? Like, have you ever thought through this? Let me go first. So art means expressing my feelings through it, and that's what I have done today. Hi guys, my name is Sakshi Chaturvedi and today I'm creating a look which is inspired from a feeling. Yes, feeling of trapped. I also have created a small mood board for it. So let's start this look, shall we? So first thing first, I'm applying primer on my face, then I'll go with the foundation, concealing all the areas which I think I should, and don't worry, I'll link all the products in the description box so you can check it there. Now I'm locking all the layers with the help of loose powder. Also defining my brows, so I am basically doing a base makeup for this look, and now it's time for the eye makeup. So I am doing very basic eye makeup for this look. So there is a backstory why I wanted to create a look which is inspired from a feeling. So I saw this reel where this girl creates a makeup which is inspired from phobia, phobia of dark. So I thought of recreating her look, but then I thought let me do it my way, and I'll take something very basic like feeling of trapped. And I think we all have felt that feeling of trapped at some point. If you have not, then you are very lucky, but I have felt it and I think most of you have. Coming back to the makeup now, I have sketched out a wall on my face which is broken, and I'm filling it with brown to show the edges of the wall. And now I'm adding black on the edges of the wall to create that illusion that there is another face behind that wall. As you can see, that black color has really added that illusion. Now I am adding little more details using white color, and wherever I have added white, I'll just blend it outward. Doing the same thing around all the wall area. Adding white and blend, adding white and blend. So basically you all know that blending is the game changer. So we all gotta do it. I'm adding little more details by adding black on the edges of the wall to make that wall pop out. I hope you all can see the black is doing to the look. It's just making everything stand out and making it more 3D and realistic. So that is why adding black and white to the right places is necessary. And now jumping to the next step of this look, which is creating metal wired wall. So sketching out those wire on my face, just going diagonally on my face, and I'll do the crisscross on my face for the guideline. Now I'm going with the black paint and painting out all the wires. Now we are getting the picture, right? Now I'm mixing black and purple to add that shadow effect of wires on my face. And to make that wires pop out, I'm just adding white on the edges of the wire. And we are done. I'll just go change and I'll open my hair to click some pictures, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I have created more such looks, so you can check it on my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So I'll see you all later with another crazy face art makeup look. So until then, bye.